What if the real secret to earning respect isn't about being louder, richer, or more impressive, but about discovering something deep inside you that most people never find? What if people started valuing you not for what you say, but for the presence you carry? Stay with me, because this isn't just another video. This is ancient wisdom brought to life. A Stoic path that will change how you see yourself and how the world sees you. You're about to uncover 10 life-changing Stoic strategies that won't just make people respect you, they'll make them value your presence like gold. Breathe deep, lean in, and don't even think of clicking away. This is not a video, it's a transformation. Everything starts in the mind. Your inner world controls your outer life. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Think about how often we doubt ourselves. That voice that whispers, "You're not good enough." But what if you caught that voice in the act? What if you answered back? What if instead of shrinking you said, "No, my worth is not up for debate"? Every day you have the chance to take control of your thoughts and shape a stronger version of yourself. Begin each morning not with your phone, but with your thoughts. Ask yourself, what will challenge me today, and how will I respond with courage? Speak affirmations born from Stoic fire. I am calm under pressure. I am guided by reason. I am not here to please, I am here to grow. At night, review the battles of your mind. Where did fear win? Where did you stand strong? Your inner dialogue is the soil where self-respect grows. When that's solid, others feel it. They don't always know why, but they sense it and they respect it. People chase approval like it's currency, but Stoics didn't care about applause, they cared about virtue. Seneca said, "The value of a man is measured by the quality of his character, not the opinion of others." If you live by your principles, honesty, discipline, justice, you become rare. You become magnetic. Ask yourself, what are my non-negotiables? What do I stand for, even when no one's watching? When you make decisions that honor your principles, even if they cost you something, you build unshakable self-worth. And guess what? The world notices. Not because you screamed your values, but because you lived them. The louder strength is silent consistency. And when people see that you stand firm while others sway, they will respect you more than those who chase trends or flattery. Do you avoid discomfort? Because here's a hard truth. Avoiding pain also means avoiding growth. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." When you choose discomfort, waking early, doing hard tasks, stepping into awkward conversations, you become a warrior of the soul. Cold showers? They're not just a trend. They remind your body who's in charge. Fasting? It tells your desires they don't own you. Facing that one person you've been avoiding? It tells your fear that it has no home in you. Each act of discomfort is a silent victory. And victory builds confidence. Confidence becomes presence. And presence becomes value. You'll find people drawn to you, wondering, what makes them so unshakable? The next time someone speaks, don't just wait for your turn to talk. Listen. Really listen. Epictetus said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason." When you listen fully, people feel seen. And when people feel seen, they connect. Most people talk to be heard. Few talk to understand. Become the rare one who listens without judgment, who hears the pain behind the words. Use silence as a gift. When someone pauses, Let the pause breathe. When they finish, say, "Tell me more." This simple act builds bridges deeper than words, and when you become the one who truly hears, you become unforgettable. Everyone wants to receive, but few want to give first. The Stoics believed we are here to serve, not to take. Think of the last time someone helped you without expecting anything. How did you feel? That's the feeling you want to create when you give your time, your attention, your skill freely. You shine, not in a fake look-at-me way, but in a quiet, lasting light. Help someone learn. Offer to carry the burden. Uplift a voice that goes unheard. These moments stack up, and slowly, people begin to see you not just as helpful, but as essential. You become the person they trust, the one they respect. Not because you asked for it, but because you earned it. True confidence whispers. It doesn't shout. It walks into a room, knows who it is, and doesn't need to prove anything. The Stoics mastered this balance. Strong, but humble. Capable, but honest about flaws. That's the kind of confidence people are drawn to. So stop pretending you have all the answers. Instead, be the one who says, "I don't know, but I'm learning." Be the one who admits mistakes, but keeps moving forward. Confidence is not being the best, it's knowing you're becoming better every day. That humility invites trust, that balance earns respect. Words are powerful. Seneca once said, "Speech that is concise and truthful is the speech of a free man." When you speak, speak with intention. Don't rush to fill silence. Let your words land. Every time you speak, you build your reputation. So choose strong words. Replace "I think" with "I believe." Replace "I'm sorry" with "Thank you for your patience." When you speak less but say more, people listen, and when they listen, they remember. Be here, now, fully, in this moment. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Confine yourself to the present. When you are fully present, people feel it. They feel your energy, your focus, and in a world full of distractions, that presence is priceless. Turn off your phone, look someone in the eye. Listen with your heart, not just your ears. Give your full attention to what you're doing, whether it's a conversation or a task. People crave presence. Be the one who gives it, and in return, you'll be the one they never forget. Remember this. You will die. Maybe not today, maybe not soon, but one day, your time will run out. The Stoics practiced memento mori, not to be sad, but to be awake. Because when you know your time is limited, you stop wasting it on things that don't matter. You speak truth. You take action. You live fully. You become bold. That boldness becomes magnetism. People see someone living with urgency and purpose, and they respect it. They feel it. They want to be around it because it reminds them of what matters. Never stop growing. Never think you've arrived. The Stoics believed life is a school and every day is a lesson. Read, learn, reflect, improve. Track your progress. Ask for feedback. Chase mastery, not applause. When people see you evolving, when they watch you rise from who you were into who you're becoming, they get inspired. And inspiration breeds value. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be progressing. So here's the truth. You don't need to beg for respect. You don't need to chase people or approval. You just need to live by these Stoic principles. Master your mind. Live your values. Embrace discomfort. Listen deeply. Give freely. Be humbly confident. Speak with clarity. Be fully present. Remember your time is short and keep growing always. Do this and people won't just respect you. They'll admire you, they'll value you. And more importantly, you'll value yourself. If this message stirred something inside you, then don't keep it to yourself. Share it, live it, and come back for more, because this is just the beginning. The Stoic path isn't about becoming someone else. It's about uncovering the strength that's been inside you all along.